Better clear the pipes.
And good morning, Middle School South. I'm Miss Murdoch.
I'm Mr. Bonnet, and you are our faithful few who are watching the Roar Report. Hopefully live, maybe not live, but either way.
The only wise ones. Today is Monday, December 7th already, 2020. We are on our second of hopefully only 3 weeks of distance learning.
Mm-hmm.
So make sure that we are doing what we need to do. We're also on Monday Night Football with the Steelers.
Hey, all I know is that even though the Browns are outscored 25-3 in the second half yesterday, we came away with the dub. And
yep.
I mean, my goodness, what a season.
25-3. What was the final score?
41-30.
Wow, that's a lot of points for a football game. Nice job.
Yeah, it is. Looking ahead, we got a couple announcements for you from our Student Leadership Committee. Number one, just a reminder that this week is virtual game night on Wednesday. So in 2 days, we got 4 half-hour chunks of time dedicated to some virtual game stuff. We've got anything from sports themes to animal themes, video games, and movies and TVs, movie and TV shows. So check out the Roar Report email here for access to logging into those Google Meets. Sounds like a good time.
Yep. What else do we have this week?
Student Leadership is putting on a Beat Michigan Spirit Day on Friday. So deck yourself out on Friday with all the Ohio State gear you've got. If there's any Michigan gear, the best place for it would be the garbage can.
Maybe your drawer.
Bottom drawer tucked in the corner somewhere. Sure.
Sorry, Mrs. Bradford.
So yeah, if you want to participate in that, hop on to the Beat Michigan Spirit Day on Friday. Not hop on, just hop into your Ohio State clothes, right. I guess. Taking a look at some birthday shout-outs. Happy birthday today to Mrs. Carlisle. And over the weekend, Devin Lepesky and Audrey Wood. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Sharing Mrs. Carlisle's birthday is December 7th in history. And in 1941, a date which will live in infamy occurs as former President Franklin Delano Roosevelt speaks to the Japanese bombing of the American naval base in Pearl Harbor, Hawaii. Up until the attacks on September 11th, it was the deadliest attack on U.S. soil, even though I guess at that time Hawaii wasn't a state quite yet. But
that's what I was going to say.
It launched the United States into World War II.
Yeah.
And also on December 7th in 1787, Delaware becomes the first state in the modern United States.
Well, there you go. A day of infamy, Mrs. Carlisle. Words of wisdom today. There's an old story about 2 stone cutters. When asked what they were doing, the first stone cutter replied, "I'm cutting this stone into blocks." When asked the same question, the second stone cutter replied, "I'm building a great cathedral." So much depends on our attitude toward life. Our entire view of the world can change in an instant with a simple change in our thinking. For example, if your attitude toward school is negative, guess what? Your experience of school will be negative. If you see school as an opportunity to learn and grow and meet great people, guess what? You'll be happy with the experience of going to school. The English say it this way: all happiness is in the mind. It's quite simple but true. Today, notice your attitude toward the world and around you and make it a super great day.
Hey, the English might put it that way, but I put it, life's about choices.
And there's a silver lining.
And there is, oftentimes.
Have a great Monday, Sal.
See you guys.